So, you're back in Goa now. Uh, how do you see this next 6 7 months for the NCP party, especially when you talk about assembly polls? And now municipality elections are already declared in Goa. How are you looking at for your party level?
Well, as you know, that on 22nd of November last year, we have opened our office at Panjim, keeping in mind the organizational growth, strengthening our organization in Goa, both the district of Goa. Now, in last 3 months, it is exactly 3 months now, my president, Jose Philip de Souza, my MLA, Churchill Alemao, and all the frontal organization of NCP Goa, they have been working at the grassroots. Keeping in mind that in month of March, the Nagar Palika, the local self-government election, is likely to come. And just 5 days back, last week, the local self-government Nagar Palika election has been announced for March 20th. Now this election, when you talk about the local self-government, it's an election of the grassroots. And this election we are taking as our, it's a very important election, because the day-to-day need of people is always taken care by the local self-government. Whether it is water issue, whether it is sewage issue, whether it is drainage issue, whether it is health issue, whether it is education, everything. So now we are gearing up. Just before this, when I'm talking to you, we had a meeting in the morning with different part of the constituency. We have a meeting at 4 o'clock. The President of Goa has organized all our organization people, we are coming and we are discussing. So what I say, this Nagar Palika election will be like our mini assembly. And we have full confidence, since Maharashtra, Mahavikas Aghadi, we are in power, and Goa is an adjoining state. And after the opening of our party office on 22nd of November, thereafter our Honorable National President, the leadership of Sharad Pawar and the ideology of NCP.
Okay. So is NCP trying to fill candidates at municipality polls? Like Jose Philip also had said earlier that there would be some.
My purpose of the visit to Goa, there are two reasons. One is the local self-government, that is Nagar Palika election, discussing with my party functionaries, deciding about the candidate, like which are the seats we have to contest. And the second is the strengthening the organization.
When you talk about the purpose and all, there have been a statement from the Goa Forward Party saying that we would align with NCP only if they do not take these 6 7 people, where there is a discussion going on that these 6 7 people who have recently joined BJP might leave BJP and join NCP if they are not taken.
Well, you should understand, when we are in politics, every party has its program and plan. And every party has right to work towards the growth of the party.
Okay.
About the alliance and the seat sharing is too early to discuss. It is now time that all the parties, including NCP, we are now on the path of strengthening our party.
So is NCP, like Jose Philip, there have been discussions saying the BJP MLA, they have been saying that the NCP had offered them 6 seats Is NCP ready to take those 6 people?
See, again I'm telling you, the alliance is never done on conditions. Whenever the alliance is done, there has to be a flexibility, discussion, lot of deliberations, and then we derive to a conclusion.
Okay.
Now, whenever the election approaches, whether it is Nagar Palika, Assembly, or Lok Sabha, or Jila Parishad, it is leaders switching over from one party to another. It's a common phenomenon.
No.
So, discussing right now, it's too early. Who's going to join which party and which party is going to accept which leaders? You know, it is too early. Right now, we are focusing on strengthening of our organization and our Nagar Palika election.
Okay, but how far is NCP ready to take them or not? I know you have been saying time and again focusing, but if since the offer has gone to them, are you all ready to accept that?
See, whenever any leader from any constituency, if would like to join NCP, we take the assessment. Our local unit of Goa, President Jose Philip de Souza, and the entire our committee, they take the assessment. And that report comes, and I am as an observer. The report comes to me, we do the assessment, and accordingly the decision has been taken.
So it will be up to the state NCP president who will take a call and inform you, report to you.
Yes, it is the local unit.
What about your discussions or coalition alliance? Is it heading low, like your chief had earlier said, ki these things happen only at the fag end, like 3 to 4 months prior to elections? Oh, you all are waiting like that. Oh, it will be before that.
See, I tell you, whenever any election approaches, it is all this alliance, seat sharing, common minimum program, everything is done when the election approaches. But the NCP is of the opinion, our national president, Honorable Sharad Pawar ji, in Goa last month when he was here. Prior to that, Honorable Praful Patel, our General Secretary in charge, Goa, they have made, and myself, I took a press conference. The line of NCP is very clear as far as the alliance is concerned. In the coming assembly election, all the like-minded parties, we are trying to get them on one platform, because people of Goa, they are fed up of BJP. What is the Goa strength? What is the main revenue of Goa? Is tourism. And today the tourism is very badly affected. I'm not talking about pandemic. Okay, pandemic is one aspect. The entire world it is globally. But Goa today are facing a major threat. The youth of Goa, when you talk about employment, any issue. So among people of Goa, they are unrestness as far as BJP is concerned, as far as this government is concerned. So the NCP initiative is to get the like-minded party on one platform.